Hi, it's Peter Carney. I'm in our food garden in Draper, and it is now mid-March, and our garden space here has gone through a green manure process from January through to now. Cowpea grown, cut down, and mulched, and it's all broken down into the soil, so the soil is beautifully alive. We still have some crops in the garden, and you can see there's some pretty big basils growing over there, which we're harvesting from. Those basils are, they've been in for 5 months and they're still powering. Quite amazing. There's cosmos there, and these beautiful rosellas. See the flowers on the rosellas? About to pick those flowers to make some jam. More basils down there. But for the most part, the bed is really ready for planting. And so we started our first planting in this bed here. This is a leaf bed, so 7.5 meters. This is we've got 18 beds here of 7.5 meters. So this one, the first half, has got a mixture of lettuce, rocket, ripuna, which is a leafing broccoli, wasabi greens, a really beautiful spicy brassica, and tatsoi, most of it from saved seeds. So our bananas are going really well here. There's another one fruiting here. See that one there? You can see the flower on the side, and there's another one there that's got the fruit already hanging down. So we have all these beds ready for planting now. So over the next 3 to 4 weeks we'll be planting out the whole space. So it should look quite amazing, and because we've had all this moisture over the last 2 months really, and the soil is beautifully moist, and the fertility work we've done with the green manure and regularly enhanced with biodynamic preparations to stimulate soil life. I'm sure the plants are all going to love it. Here's one of the lovely little seedlings we put in, which we grew from saved seeds from last year. That's a ripuna, which grows into quite a big plant. It'll grow into a bush about 1 metre high, probably about the same height as that basil plant there. So incredibly productive plant, and we had those growing in our garden last year, and they were leafing for 5 months. Tastes exactly the same as a broccoli flower, but it's the leaf. Okay, that's all from Peter Carney. Before I give you the little promo on our next workshop, biodynamic workshop, which is on the 28th and 29th of this month, so only 2 weeks away. We still have some spaces. Love to see you come along. So visit our website at myfoodgarden.com.au and click on workshops, and you can register in seconds there. Thank you. Goodbye.